Beautiful looking day on the Yak. Weather's nice. Conditions are good. Now we're just finding our spot to flick some squid jigs. Really clear today, which is awesome. Just what we want. What have I got? Oh, whoa, this is good. Whoa, this is good. Oh. Oh. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, good, 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 good. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, listen to it scream. Oh, oh, it's a snapper, boys. Oh, it's a good snapper. Oh, it's a good snapper. Oh, oh, holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, holy shit. Holy shit. Oh. Oh. What? 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 Holy shit! Yes! He's gotten a bit excited on me kayak as well. Maybe he sensed my excitement. How big are you going, mate? 41 centimetre pinky! Oh, he's beautiful. You are, I'm sorry buddy, but you're coming home for dinner. Whoa, stay down, stay down, stay down. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Oof. Oh, you're a little smaller than your other boy, but I'll take you. So that's the mark. Oh.
I'm watching you.
Stay down, stay in.
Okay.
Wee. Woo. Oh. Yes. Woo. Wowee. The grubs are on today. Whew. Right, I need my lip grips because I ain't putting my my fingers in those mouths. Oh, there's another beauty. Woo! Yeah, over 30 for sure. Craziest thing ever. I was gonna knot out of my reel. Oh, hey. Oh, nice. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, Jesus, you guys are beautiful. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, you're not ready yet. When you're ready. Oh, oh. You do not want your lug still green. Oh. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! Oh, this is so much fun. One last look at him, guys. Oh, look at that. I mean, picturesque.